again, everyone. This video is going to talk about textual evidence, which is a really big part of the Common Core standards, and a lot of questions and work that you will do will require you to have textual evidence. Okay, obviously textual evidence, it comes from the reading. Okay, and it is right there in the story, in the speech, whatever it is that you are reading. That's where you're going to get your textual evidence from. And I didn't put it on the whiteboard, but textual evidence can either be like a direct word for word quote from the reading, but it can also be you putting the evidence in your own words, paraphrasing what you read. You still obviously want to give the author credit and mention where you found it, but you can do it both ways. You can have a direct word for word quote in quotation marks, but you can also paraphrase your evidence and put it a little bit in your own words. Okay, but moving along. There are a few reasons why you need textual evidence. One, it helps you support your answer. Think about it like this. If you have an answer and your question requires you to have textual evidence or support your answer using textual evidence, and you cannot find any evidence to support that answer, if you can find nothing in the text that supports what you said was the answer is probably wrong, okay? So you're gonna have to go back, you're gonna have to rethink the answer based on the text, okay? So it's a good way of making sure that your answers are correct, because as you're going and you're looking for that textual evidence part and you're not finding it, it's a good heads up that, oops, I need to rethink what I put as my answer and see if I can come up with an answer that is supported, okay? It also, when writing an essay, can help you and does help you support your claims and your ideas, okay? And that in an essay is called your concrete details and text, and things like that. So it helps with that element. Okay, in an essay, you'll give a reason or you'll give a claim, and you need to have that textual evidence to support it. And then you discuss that textual evidence and help and explain to your essay reader how it is supporting your claims and your thoughts, okay? And finally, my last thing about textual evidence is read with a purpose. And what I mean by this, when I say read with a purpose, down here, is when you're going to read, look at the questions or the work or whatever it is that you have to do with that reading. Okay, if there are questions at the end of the passage, or your teacher, like me, is saying, hey, you're reading this to do some character analysis. Okay, then I need to read with an eye towards those questions or that assignment, so I can be gathering my textual evidence as I go along, making it a little easier on me, so that when I'm done, I already have notations of, okay, this is where I learned about the character, or these are some things that helped me understand the theme, or whatever it is that I'm doing with that reading. And then your job at the end becomes easier. Same thing goes on a test. Preview the test questions first so that you can be reading the passage to look for evidence to answer that question, okay? Or if you know you're going to write an essay, be gathering your evidence for your essay as you read, so that when you go to write the essay, you've already done a lot of the hard work, okay? Hope you found this helpful. Here's one last short shot of the whiteboard in case you want to take a screenshot or anything like that. All right, thank you for tuning in. Bye.